Hey guys, so you're not gonna wanna miss this video. I'm here with a good friend, Junior. I'll put his Instagram below. He got the new Kabari XL tent for his JKU, his 2017 JKU. Make sure to go follow him. All the details will be for this on my website, ICECO Overland Outfitters. And you're pretty pumped about finally getting a rooftop tent, dude?
Oh my God.
Awesome. We're gonna do some camping in the fall. So yeah, let's get to the walk around. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. We do everything from gear installs, and we have an online store, ICECOOverlandOutfitters.com, where we have the best prices and fast shipping on trusted overland brands. We cover the 23-0 new Kabari XL 10, where we have unique features, especially when installing it. Jackson also comes out to help Caleb's Tacoma with his brake and some maintenance, and we visit some friends at a Skottles and Bottle event. Hey guys, so we're gonna go over this trailer. You're not gonna want to miss this video. We added a bunch of features, the ICECO fridge, the awning, and we're gonna go to the Dawsonville Race Track. And so we have Caleb here, and we're about to, Caleb and Josh, and we're gonna remove his rooftop tent with the hoist. So they're going to be working on brakes for his Tacoma. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to this video. Alright, so it's the first time at the track. I'm parked next to Shannon and Dan. We got the trailer, the Defender, and then there's a Troopy over here. Pretty nice setups. There's a Ford like GT that's badass over there, and yeah, really cool build. So we're gonna walk around and take a look, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more into the trailer. I'm gonna go get some coffee, walk around. Hey guys, so we're exploring. Again, you always see a lot of great vehicles out here. So Mike, he's actually moving and selling his truck. This is not stock at all, so if you know anything about putting the time and money into building these vehicles, it's got a long travel, rock sliders, nice wheels. It's got a whole bunch of accessories, so definitely hit him up. I'm gonna link his Instagram, and you can see his phone number right there. But if you're looking for a Colorado, definitely check out this one. He's even got the swing out on the back, so high clearance bumper. It's got a whole bunch of accessories. So hey guys, so this is David with Expedition Georgia. He's gonna tell us a little bit about his event, and thank you again, David.
Yeah, so my name's David. I own Expedition Georgia. We put on the Adventure Vehicle Roundup. It's currently a twice-a-year event, may change in the future, but it's a big weekend camping event, community camping classes, we do a bunch of giveaways, we do competitions. We're gonna have a flex competition this year. We do our cooking competition, a lot of vendors, a lot of good times. People always come out, have a good time. It's in Ellijay, Georgia, September 19th and 22nd at White Path Creek Farms. You can find more information at adventurevehicleroundup.com.
Perfect.
One take Jake, baby.
Hey guys, so I'm here hanging out with Lance. Make sure to check him out, Tent Freak. This right here is a trailer, custom trailer he made. Definitely great to store stuff and also get like a rooftop tent. You can check out his GX and all the things he has, tentfreak.com. Make sure to go check him out. He's got a really nice GX build. All right guys, so we're back at the shop. Jackson is here and Caleb's here. Josh dipped out. You can see Jackson's Colorado or GMC. There's a Defender, and so we're doing long travel, king suspension. No, but no, check this out. So he's got extended braided lines, and they're doing the add-a-leaf for the weight, and yeah. And again, appreciate it, Caleb, for getting me a little something for the garage. I appreciate it. Oh, but this is the main thing that I was kind of helping out Caleb with. He basically bought a rooftop tent, and the company didn't have too much support after, but he had like a little bubble. So at Metal Supermarkets, he got the diamond plate tread, and we are able to glue it to the top and then run some caulking all the way down. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 metal channels so that way we could put his solar panel to it. So we're going to work on that, and I'm going to do a time lapse and show you the rest of what we got going on. All right, so we got Junior here with his 2017 JKU. Yeah, I remember this. He actually, that's my Gobi Rack off my 2017 JKU, which is crazy. And it's a 6-speed manual, which is cool. So yeah, he's getting the Kabari XL tent. I'll definitely put his link down below. But we're just gonna start unboxing this. I'm gonna do a time lapse, and then anything that I want to point out, I'll just go over it. So we'll just get right to it. I'm gonna use the hoist over here to lift it up. All right, guys. So I just want to point this out with the Gobi Rack. This is kind of like the cool thing about this system. Basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount the bars to this, and then all we got to do is flip this over. I got to unloosen the bolt a little bit, but it basically pinches and holds, clamps down on this, so we don't have to like reach our hands in here some kind of crazy way. And then yeah, it's going to give us flexibility to move it forward and backward. So that's what we're going to do next. All right, guys, so I want to show you guys this. Normally the hardware they give you are regular nuts, but if it focuses, you could see that it's kind of longer on both sides, because it's happened to me multiple times where when I tighten this, it'll actually spin, but with it being longer, it's going to lock into place, so I won't have that problem with this nut spinning. And then even the mounting clasps are nicely rubberized. It's like a rubber padding that they put all the way around, so that's pretty nice. All right, guys, so we put the bars on, and again, this is the cool thing about the Gobi Rack, is you could do the bars to this and then just drop this down, and these right here will flip over and lock to these bars here. So we're going to drop this down. Again, this new Kabari tent has a Anderson connection on the outside, so it's going to help us out big time. All right, guys, so I'm going to switch between the DSLR and the GoPro, and I'm basically going to highlight some of the cool features about this tent. The main thing is the X-frame right here that gives you an extra opening up front here. Not only do you have the bug mesh screen, you also have the actual close off, so you can completely shut it off. You have latches in the front. You got extrusion right here, so you can pretty much mount anything up there, down here. And then you got 2 crossbars, so you're ready to go with to put like solar panels or anything up there. You have Anderson connections, so you can run power into the tent. And then if you go like further back, I'll climb up and I'll show from here. But basically this interior right here is really, really nice. You have a whole bunch of space. Remember the 230, they're known for the LST. That is basically this material here that blacks out the entire thing. So if you want to sleep in at camp, you can. It'll be completely pitch black in here. These lights here switch. So you have 2 different lights. You have a whole bunch of storage pockets here. You could put a tablet up there to watch a movie. I've seen some people set up like those little mini projectors and project onto the roof of here, watch like movies or play games. You have this nice, basically wraparound awning with tension rods here. And you have another ventilation axis here. So basically all the condensation stuff that heads up will leave through there. But they also include the condensation mount on the bottom here. All this stuff is very premium materials. So Junior got in here. I'm not gonna get in here and mess up his new tent, but there's definitely a lot of room. And the cool thing is that this axis in the front just gives you more space so it doesn't feel so tight in the front. So and then the other thing, when you get the wiring to this, you have USB and USB-C charging here, a cigarette lighter, so you'll have power up to your tent here. So yeah, this is a very, very nice tent. Again, you could check it out, ICECO, overlandoutfitters.com. Message us and we'll get you the best price for it. And yeah, so again, I appreciate Junior for getting this with us, and we'll see you on the next video. Appreciate it.
I was looking for rooftop tents. I like to go off-roading with ICECO 4x4 over here. I usually do ground tents. Been waiting a long time, kind of looking at different options. Honestly, talking to ICECO, he helped me throughout this entire process. But I do go to a lot of music festivals, so it's really nice to have one of these. You don't have to be on the ground, especially if it rains. You're kind of staying dry. And it's a lot better view up there than it is down here. So, yeah.
Awesome.